Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. And today I am going to make you have the recipe, okay? And pasta with tomato. And so is the vegetables, okay? Vegetables. And right now I am going to prepare any ingredients. Okay, the first of the sound for the water. Okay. Oh, sorry. Of the water, I am going to soak the water for the pasta. Okay. Sorry if the okay. I always make sure of to the add a bit of the salt to the water. This is important, okay? They say that pasta tastes good better with little salt, okay? With the little with the salt, and while the water is heating up, let's start with vegetables, okay? Okay. Today I am using the onion, okay? So the pepper, so the garlic, and these tomatoes, okay? Sometimes when I don't have the pepper of the mushrooms, however, is the red peppers are just tastes, okay, of the mushrooms, though they are known of the chief as the mushrooms, okay? Okay, the first I am going to chop the onion in this is the light. And when you are on the chopping onion, is the better to do it quickly. So you avoid don't cry too much. Oh, okay. And sometimes is of the onion is the peeling garlic, but well is the part of the cooking. Okay, so is the now that the onion is the chopping. I am going to fry and add the little olive oil. Okay, is important. Add the little olive oil is the little, okay? Yes. And while it is the frying, I am going to add the clove of the garlic. So this is the special flour, okay? But you have to be careful to boil of the noise. Now that the onion and garlic have browning, okay, I am going to mix it with the chopped tomato, a little the fry the vine, this how the taste of the good of the any restaurant. So back of the course is the most the chip to make of the home. So is the chip to make of the home. Okay, leave the everything to cooking for a minute more. The mayonnaise while the pasta, the finish of the cooking. Remember, with the pasta, is already you knew to drink. If the quickly so is this in the soup. Okay, is the mayonnaise no the finish the cooking for the time. I am sorry. My main is two ingredients of the menu is the recipe for the pasta with tomato and and this the recipe of the house. Okay, thank you so much.